Traders, just going to go through last week's VIP trade ideas, have a look at the results, and the easy way to do this is just to open up the MT4 account that I'm using as a master account for the VIP signals. You can see there's a little bit of spread here on some of these at the moment. This is prior to the Asian session here on Monday, but it's called a zero spread account. Last week you can see I've gained $70 on this account. I've been trading small lot sizes, as some of you will vary your risk or your position size according to your own risk strategy. Right, we had a good week last week, and the results are going to be posted into Telegram in this format from now on. This is a weekly report that is 100% accurate. It's taken from the trades on my MT4 account, and the report's generated by a bot that transfers the data into Telegram. So we have an accurate reading to the pip of wins, losses, profit percentage, or pips. Okay, so this will be the format for the weekly report. Now, we shifted gears last week after a couple of tough weeks in the market on the back of the Bank of Japan rate rise. And during the period after they raised their interest rates, the markets went into a pretty volatile reaction on the other end of the stock market crashing when they did, then the rebound. But I shifted gears with our strategy for VIP, and this is 3 days of trading the strategy, and we've grown this account. It's a $10,000 account. We've grown it by 7%, well, nearly 8%, you can see here, in 3 days. And this is trading at 0.5% risk per trade on this account. So I was just doing a bit of a forward test here. It's worked out quite nicely. So what we're going to do moving forward is a mix of day, intraday, and I might even introduce a couple of longer term trades possibly into the mix, but we'll see. Just vary the time frames a little bit. In any case, last week's results were steady, and what I've done now is decided to introduce a free, no obligation 1 week trial. Okay, so it's a free trial. You gain access to our VIP channel where I'm posting signals and mentorship videos, right? The trading course and a Tradingview indicators are not included in the trial, and to access the trial, just message me in Telegram. Here's my Telegram user ID here. You can click that in the free channel. All right, and I'll respond to you generally Monday to Friday. I'll be able to grant access to VIP for you if you contact me before 2 a.m. New York time, Monday to Friday. That's when I have time to be adding people to VIP. Once the London session kicks off, I'm really busy looking at charts and sending trade ideas and what have you into the group. So if you contact me through London or New York, I'm going to enable access for you when I wake up the next day, basically. So jump on board, guys. Take advantage of this 1 week free trial. There's no obligation. You don't have to sign up for anything. Okay? It's just instant access once I'm in front of the charts, and you'll be able to copy my trades onto your account. So if you haven't joined our free channel yet, the link is below in the description, and then from there you can click on the pin message up here and click on this link and send me a message to join VIP for free for the week. All right, so with that, I'm looking forward to this week, and I'll post a pre-market prep video shortly.